Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Chan podcast, the best place for beginners to learn practical English. I'm Anna.
Hi, Anna, and hello to all our amazing listeners. I'm Leo. So happy to be here today.
It's always fun to have you, Leo. And listeners, thank you for joining us. Today's episode is perfect if you're just starting to learn English.
Yes, we're talking about my daily routine, something we all do every day.
Before we begin, if you enjoy learning with us, please subscribe, share this podcast with a friend, and leave us a review. It helps more people find us. Okay, Leo, let's start with the morning. What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Well, I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. My alarm rings and I get out of bed.
Same here. I wake up at 7 a.m. After I get out of bed, I go to the bathroom.
Me too. In the bathroom, I brush my teeth and wash my face. What about you, Anna?
I do the same. I also comb my hair and sometimes take a shower in the morning.
Good one. After that, I go to the kitchen to make breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I love toast with jam and a cup of coffee. Sometimes I eat cereal with milk.
I usually have eggs and tea. After breakfast, I get dressed. I choose my clothes and put them on.
Yes, get dressed is important. Then I put on my shoes and leave the house.
Going to work or school? Where do you go after leaving the house?
I go to work. I work in an office. Sometimes I take the bus or I walk if the weather is nice.
I go to work too. At work, I sit at my desk, check my emails, and write reports.
Same. I also have meetings with my colleagues. Do you have meetings, Anne?
Yes, sometimes. I talk to my team and discuss projects. What else do you do at work?
I drink water and take short breaks. At 12:30 p.m., I have lunch.
Oh, lunchtime. What do you usually eat?
I often eat a sandwich or rice with vegetables. Sometimes I go out to eat with friends.
I usually bring lunch from home. Maybe pasta or salad. After lunch, I go back to work until 5 p.m.
Same. After work, I go home. What about you?
When I get home, I relax on the sofa and watch TV for a little while.
That sounds nice. I sometimes listen to music or read a book.
Then I cook dinner. My favorite is chicken with rice.
I like cooking too. I often make soup or pasta.
After dinner, I wash the dishes. Do you help with chores, Leo?
Yes, I clean the table and sometimes take out the trash.
Before bed, I brush my teeth again and wash my face.
Me too. I also set my alarm for the next day.
Then I go to bed around 10:30 p.m. What time do you sleep?
I go to bed at 11 p.m. Good sleep is important.
Let's review some key phrases.
Morning. Wake up. Get out of bed. Brush teeth. Wash face. Make breakfast. Get dressed. Go to work.
Have meetings, have lunch, go back to work, go home.
Evening. Cook dinner. Wash dishes. Watch TV. Read a book.
Night. Brush teeth, go to bed.
Now, listeners, try saying your daily routine in English.
Thank you for listening. If you liked this episode, please subscribe, share with a friend, and leave us a review.
And tell us in the comments, what's your daily routine? We'd love to hear from you.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye. Sweet dreams.